In this session, we will learn about various styles of a paragraph. Okay, so these are the various styles, and we will just get good idea about these styles. Okay, now first select the text. Now I want this paragraph to be in normal style, so the MS Word will automatically arrange in normal style. I'm clicking. Got it? So this is the normal style. Now I want no spacing. So look, the spacing being reduced. Go to normal. There is spacing, okay, and no spacing. The spacing being reduced. Even the spacing between two lines is reduced. Okay, I'm going back to normal. Now, so look, there is one thing, intense code. Okay, so suppose I want to highlight something. Okay, I want to highlight this as an intense code. Okay, so what I will do, let's say this line I want to highlight. I will select this. I will go here. I will make it as intense code. Got it? Now I want to emphasize something. Suppose I want to emphasize this one. Okay, so what? I will go to style and I will click on emphasis. Okay, slight changes there, not much. Okay, but if you want to do much change, then what you can do, you can select whatever you want to select. For example, you can select strong, so it will show you a strong change. Got it? Okay. Now I want to create the index. Index in a way that this is India. Under India, there is Maharashtra. Under Maharashtra, there is a district, let's say Nagpur. Okay. Under Nagpur, there is a taluka, let's say Katol, and there is a village, let's say village one. Okay. Now I want India to be my title and then Maharashtra to be heading and subheading and so on. So what I will do, I will select India, I will click here and I will make it as title. Look, this is the default title format, okay, of MS Word. Then we'll select Maharashtra. I want to keep it as heading. So look, I will keep this as heading. We select Nagpur district. I want to keep this as subheading. So you can see, so 1.1 under 1. Okay, I want to select Katol. I want to uh, 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 so I want to add it as one layer down to district. So what I will do, I will select this setting style 1.1.1 village. I want to select this setting style. Got it? So this is very useful when you are writing a big academic report or a big project report or say consultancy report. Okay. So in these scenarios, you have to write the index very precisely that which is the heading, which is the subheading. Okay. And this format helps there. Now look here, if you now here, if you want to hide the index, we can simply hide it. For example, now I want to hide everything in Maharashtra. I will just click on this small arrow, okay, and I want to start with a new state. Now, if I want to start with a new state, then what I will do, I will copy this format, okay. I will go to the next line, I will paste this, and I will change to another state. Let's say Karnataka. Got it? Now I want to see only Maharashtra and Karnataka. Then I will hide everything from Maharashtra. And look, we can see only two headings, Maharashtra and Karnataka. I want to see what is there inside Maharashtra. So I will click on this arrow and I can see what is inside there in Maharashtra. Okay. So in this way, we can hide and unhide the headings, subheadings, everything. Got it? Got it? Even we can hide the text under the subheadings, under the heading. So that's it in these styles. I hope these styles will help you to document your whatever report you want to document. Okay. So thank you.